In this video we're going to check out 3 restaurants and see who's got the best chicken parmigiana in Bali. So let's get into it. Now what do you think it is? Do you think it's a chicken parmy or a chicken parma? Please leave that in the comments. There's always a little bit of controversy about which one's which. Okay, so this is the mantra. There's a big car park, plenty of room for cars and motorbikes and stuff. So you got to go up that little laneway from Sunset Road. There's no sign here, you just go straight ahead into the gates. Now I've done a video here before, probably about a year ago. I'll see if I can find the link for that and put it on the end screen. Yes, as you can see there's heaps of room here. There's like a garden, you can sit outside or you can sit under cover over there and actually inside too, the air conditioned place. Okay, so I'm going to do the chicken parmy, and so tell me in the comments what you think it is, whether it's a chicken parma or a chicken parmy. So, chicken parmigiana, it's supposed to have Parmigiana cheese on it, but over here they've all got mozzarella cheese on them. So anyway, they're not too bad here, I've had them before, and we'll see if it compares to the other ones around town. So what are you going to get, darling?
Mantra chicken steak.
Mantra chicken steak.
Grilled chicken.
Grilled chicken, alright. So Yili's getting the grilled chicken, I'm getting the chicken parmy and the giant iced tea.
Okay.
So it is a good restaurant, this one. A lot of locals coming. I never really see Westerners in here, very rarely. But yeah, there's a big selection of like shakes, coffees, teas, smoothies, mocktails. I don't think there's any alcohol in here. With food, you got a breakfast menu, quick bites menu, salads, pizzas, burgers, rice bowls, sandwiches, main courses, chicken parmies, tuna steaks, you know, Australian ribeye, Australian tenderloin, pastas. There's a dessert section and typical Indonesian food, mee goreng, nasi goreng, stuff like that. So that's the menu. So the iced teas here are just massive. Look at the size of mine compared to the size of Yuli's. So you got the lychee tea with a mint. I got the, it's like a giant, it's like a pint, full pint glass or something, don't know. Now we've more or less tried everything on the menu in here over the last couple of years of coming here. So the Australian tenderloin steaks are pretty good here too. They're not too bad priced. How much was a steak? Of course. So it's 150, which is pretty good these days for Australian beef. That's about $15 for a steak. So they've got the ribeye and the tenderloin. So all the food's pretty good here. We've never really had a bad meal here. And the chicken parmies are okay. Nearly every time I come here I order the chicken parmy. So, alright, we'll see how it is. We'll see how it is. Alright, so here's my chicken parmy, thank you.
Yeah, welcome.
Alright, check that out. Wow, looks good. It's a good size. Got some nice chips and a bit of salad and a bit of, I'm not sure what this is. Tomato sauce. Pretty good. And the chips are good. They're good sized chips. A bit thicker than the little fries. Not too bad. The salads are also good. They do it with like a balsamic vinegar type and lemon or something like that. Okay, so let's check out this chicken parmy, see what it's like. Looks okay. And you can tell that the tomato sauce is actually tomato. It's homemade tomato, or maybe like a bolognese sauce. It's cooked very well. It's very good actually. Mozzarella cheese, there's no Parmigiana on it, but there's plenty of mozzarella. Yuli's dinner hasn't come out yet, so I'll be finished by the time she gets hers. And then I can eat half of yours, can't I?
No way.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Alright, so Yuli got the grilled steak. This looks pretty good. Grilled chicken steak. Same thing as mine. Oh, except you got gravy. Can I have your gravy?
Yes, little bit. Later.
They should actually give gravy with the parmy as well, I reckon. Alright, chicken parmies with gravy as well, are really good. Oh yeah, hope's better. So the chicken parmy is 69,000, about say $7. I don't think you can finish that, darling. What do you think?
I can.
I'm stalking Yuli for the rest of her grilled chicken.
You can have my tip.
All right, so that was 200,000 for that. 2 drinks and 2 meals. It's a really nice setting. It's well worth it, actually. Chicken palmy was good. So anyway, the mantra. Now I've just enabled memberships for my channel. So if you click on the join, you can see the perks you get. You get priority reply to comments. My membership supporters will have their name posted in every description of every video and random shout outs on the videos as well. So if you'd like to join the memberships, click join, check out the perks. It costs 29,000 rupiah per month, which is about $3 per month Australian, or about $2 US. A small price to pay to support Southern Cross Go. Alright, so we're on Sunset Road. It's in between Imam Bonjol and the 5A's intersection at Dewi Sri, and it's called the CHARIOT Reastaraunt Bar. So we're going to go in and check it out. Now overnight this place turns into a nightclub. They got DJs and that, so, but of a day it's just a restaurant. So yeah, we'll go in and check it out and see what's happening. The CHARIOT. See the book over? Right, so this is it, the CHARIOT. It's pretty big in here actually. So we've got a bar over here. Hey bro. The big room out the back. So it's pretty roomy. So maybe this area of a night is where they have sort of a little nightclub. They've got DJs and that going, as you can see, of a night. A lot of locals get in here, not that many tourists. Okay, and they've got a outside area, like a garden area, which is nice, yeah. Okay, so the chicken palmy looks really good, so I'm going to try it out. See what the chips are like. Nice and crunchy. There's plenty of mozzarella on it. There's some places in Indo they just put like tomato sauce and that, which is no good, but this looks like it's got the bolognese sauce on it, so should be okay. It's definitely like a bolognese sauce on it, so it's not a bad palmy actually. I've had a lot worse, that's for sure. So nearly every restaurant now you can get a chicken palmy, so leave it in the comments what you call it. Is it a chicken palmy or a chicken parma? Because I know different states in Australia call it different things. For me, it's a chicken palmy. Alright, so that was pretty good actually. It was 230,000, about $23 for the chicken palmy, the rice bowl, 2 teas, and you usually got a takeaway caramel coffee or something like that. So yeah, it's not too bad. Come in and check it out. The CHARIOT on Sunset Road. So leave it in the comments what you think it is, whether it's a chicken palmy or a chicken parma. So we're on Jalan Sri Krishna. Now it's right on the little river, the canal here. And Padma Street is over there, Padma Timor. So this is the Happy Warung, and this is the same Happy Warung that's on the beach at Padma, next to Lucy's Warung. So anyway, we're going to go in, check out the chicken Parmigiana, and I'll leave a link for this place in the description. So this is new, it's just opened up. It's really nice, big roof, look, all hand-carved beams and stuff up there. So, and there's plenty of room, plenty of seats and plenty of room here. So they've got a proper coffee machine, which is good. They've got some desserts and cakes and that as well. Very nice. So if you've ever been to the Happy Warung on the beach at Padma there, this is the Happy Riverside, same group, same owners. So they've got a breakfast menu, starter menu, soups, Asian meals, satays, all the Indonesian food. Steaks, surf and turf, tenderloin steaks, sandwiches, club sandwiches, burgers, pizzas. So they've basically got a bit of everything in here. So Yuli got a pot of tea and I got a nice tea tawar. Okay, so here's Yuli's sweet and sour chicken. Wow, looks pretty good too, look at that. It's got pineapple and everything in it.
Parmigiana, please.
Alright, just check that out.
Enjoy.
Thank you. Chicken palmy looks good, it's big. It's very thick. Alright, so just check out the size of that thing, look at it. It's massive, it's thick as anything. It looks like a good proper bolognese sauce with it too. Look at that. Oh yeah. This is definitely the best one I've had so far for sure. And it's fairly cheap. It's only 75,000, $7.50. And it's definitely real tomatoes and everything to make the sauce with it. So this is a very good palmy. Yeah. Wow, look at the size of it. It really is huge. So anyway, I think I found my new cheap palmy restaurant. Happy Warung, Riverside. The three that I've tried, definitely, by far, this one is definitely the best. So check it out. I'll leave a link in the description for this Warung. And I'll be back to this place for a palmy, that's for sure. Very good. So I got recommended by a viewer to go and check out the Happy Warung on the beach. And this is the same ones. And she says her husband loves them the best in Bali. And I agree with her too. These are really good. So this is the same restaurant, but just in a different location. Okay, so you can pay cash or you can use your card or scan pay.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. It was very good.
Happy good day. Good.
So yeah, it was 190,000. It's about $19. So yeah, very good, and it's the best palmy I've had yet. So okay, so if you like that video, you know the drill. Like, comment, and subscribe, and leave it in the comments if you know a good place that's got a good chicken palmy, or if you want me to review any other foods. Maybe the next one will be who's got the best steak in Bali. If you're interested in seeing that, drop a comment.